Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix FC runtime 140.dll missing from your computer. So when you try to, usually when you try to open the app or games, you receive this error message. So all you have to do is reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ Redis Tribute tables here. So you can download, there are some resources that you can try, but you can try to download from the official Microsoft.com. Here Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2015. Here you can download it. There is a 64-bit version and 86 or 32-bit. You can download it, but you can download both and try to install both version. And after that, try to relaunch the game or the apps. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.